First up, we have the CAT R2900 Underground Loader. It is a wheel designed for heavy-duty mining operations. It incorporates a state-of-the-art engine and after-treatment system compliant with EU Stage 5 that enhances air quality and reduces emissions. It also has a load-sensing hydraulic system that optimizes performance and efficiency. The wheel loader offers a payload capacity of 37,900 pounds and a bucket volume of 10.9 cubic yards. Its engine generates 393 horsepower at 1,800 revolutions per minute. Thanks to its spacious interior, ergonomic controls, a four-corner oil-cooled braking system, and service access points, the R2900 is designed for safety, comfort, and durability. Next, we have the CR Stone Dusting System. This unique machine is an underground mining safety system that discharges stone dust to prevent coal dust explosions. It was developed by CR Mining, an Australian company that specializes in underground mining technologies. The CR Stone Dusting System consists of different stone dusters, including pneumatic, hydraulic, and bulk container systems, which can be used for various purposes, including longwall, belt road, travel road, and development panel dusting. The machine uses finely ground calcium carbonate as the stone dust material. It is simple to operate with a few moving parts and low maintenance needs. It can be attached to equipment or used as a portable device, depending on the requirements of the miners. Next, we have the CAT 16 GC. It is a 71,400 pound motor grader designed for mining operations, road building, and maintenance. It is powered by a 290 horsepower CAT C13 engine, offering proven performance and fuel economy. Its moldboard size is 16 feet, allowing it to obtain the right grade quickly and effectively. The machine also incorporates an eco mode, which controls the high engine idle speed to reduce fuel consumption. Thanks to its modular components, a central shift section, and an engine cage with full access, the 16 GC motor grader is designed for simple serviceability. It is now available only in Africa, the Middle East, Asia, Eurasia, and Indonesia. Up next, we have the CAT D11 XE. It is a brand new electric drive bulldozer that promises the utmost productivity and efficiency in mining operations. Its electric propulsion system provides constant power to the ground, continuous pressing, and enhanced maneuverability. The D11 XE can cut fuel consumption by up to 25%, increase powertrain life by up to 20%, and minimize maintenance costs by having 60% fewer moving parts than mechanical drive versions. It is also integrated with CAT MineStar Command, a remote control and semi-autonomous dozing technology. Moreover, the D11 XE is the world's largest, most powerful, and most efficient electric drive dozer with a high drive, 230 short tons of weight, 57 cubic yards of blade capacity, and 850 horsepower. Next, we have the Elphinstone HaulMax 3900 series. This series is based on versatile and robust trucks for mining operations. These trucks can transport cargo over long distances and traverse muddy and slick terrain. For stability and maneuverability, the HaulMax 3900 series has a narrow width of 9.8 feet and a low center of gravity, as well as a dual rear axle configuration. They incorporate a complete Caterpillar powertrain with 95% genuine CAT components for dependability and simple upkeep. For safety and comfort, they feature an independent front suspension system and independently mounted rear A-frame axle assemblies. The HaulMax 3900 series trucks can be tailored for various uses and can be used as low-bed tow tractors, water trucks, and wet weather/downhill haulers. Up next is the Elphinstone WR810 water cannon. This versatile machine is known as the underground water cannon. It has a 2,113-gallon water reservoir and a monocoque chassis for enhanced stability. The machine discharges water at a pressure of approximately 150 psi and a velocity of 713 gallons per minute from its 1.5-inch nozzle. It can be remotely commanded by a wireless controller, allowing the operator to blow away material obstructions or sluice down mineral particles from a secure distance. Additionally, the machine has a particulate suppression system that can adjust water output based on vehicle speed, thereby minimizing environmental impact and enhancing working conditions. The WR810 also has a 228 horsepower CAT C7.1 ACERT engine and an effective electronic retarder for braking. the CAT HW300. It is a high-wall mining technology designed to extract coal from the bottom of an exposed highwall. It inserts a long beam behind the cutter head into the seam up to 1,000 feet from the highwall face. The coal is transported from inside by cutter head augers that are aligned with conveyors. This way of mining is safer than typical underground mining since no one is sent underground. Depending on seam height, the HW300 can produce 44 to 121,000 tons of coal per month. Next is the Joy Low Seam, which is a complete solution for high production, low wall mining. It offers a variety of cutting heights, accommodating seam heights ranging from 1.3 to 9 meters. Its armored face conveyors are equipped with OptiDrive technology for precise torque and speed control. Its roof support unit is strong enough to withstand 1,750 tons. These are installed for protection from accidental roof fall. Moreover, this system incorporates stage loaders, crushers, and movable belt tailpieces, providing an ultimate solution for long wall mining. Up next, we have the Sandvik DT923i. It is a fully automated tunneling jumbo used in mining to drill holes for controlled blast mining. It is equipped with 2 electro-hydraulic booms that can automatically drill a full face. Its new SB110i booms give 62% bigger side coverage and good support for high-power drilling. Thanks to its wide range of automatic drilling functions, its performance and precision have been well optimized. It also features comprehensive tools for drill planning, reporting, and analysis. Next is the TH551i, a 51-ton underground truck built to transport ores. The truck has an industry-leading cabin with enhanced operator ergonomics and several digital solutions for quick maintenance and troubleshooting. Its 515 kilowatt Tier 2 Volvo engine delivers minimal ownership costs and an extended lifespan. The truck comes with an intelligent control system, data collecting, and auto mine readiness. It can run fully loaded even at high speeds with a gradient of up to 20%. Up next, we have the R1700 XE, which is an electric-powered low loader. With its advanced charging technology, it's able to be fully charged in less than 20 minutes. Its payload capacity is 15 tons, and it can be equipped with 5 different types of buckets. Moreover, it features auto-dig for optimal loading. Containing the industry's most sophisticated hydraulic system, it's able to dramatically enhance its loading times. In short, the R1700 XE offers tremendous performance, high uptime, and minimal operating cost. Last but not least, we have the G800B. It's a Longwall plow system developed by Caterpillar. This machine consists of a face conveyor and a robust plow system equipped with cutting bits. The plow is pulled along a face conveyor from one end to the other. The coal is then extracted using a twin-chain system of conveyors. No operator is required within the Longwall face itself, as all operation is controlled from a central control station. This system is used in seams ranging from 35 to 79 inches, regardless of the inclination or hardness of the coal. The CAT 7495 is a high-performance electric mining shovel made in 2 models. The 7495HR is a hard rock version, and the 7495HF is a high-flowed version used where low ground pressure is needed, such as oil sand excavation. Both models' shovels are capable of extracting 100 tons of material at a time and can load large mining trailers in 2 to 3 passes. The dipper capacity ranges from 27 to 61 cubic meters. These large dozers take power from an 1150 horsepower or 860 kilowatt engine and weigh at around 157 tons in its super dozer version. The machine itself is stunning, as it is 16 feet tall, 41 feet long, and built with a 24-foot wide dozer blade. It is massive and capable of handling 125 cubic yards of material in one pass. Clearly, it'll move any amount of material needed.
Today's industries are looking to streamline transport assignments and make them more sustainable. Therefore, considering self-driving vehicles is not a bad idea. That is why Scania is working on a cabless autonomous concept truck, requiring no driver at all. However, this isn't an electric truck. It actually has an internal combustion engine, but Scania is working on its renewable biofuel-powered variants. The modern ETF haul truck is capable of dragging 4 times more rocks than the typical giant yellow monstrous mining trucks. It is able to carry up to 400 tons in a single load. The truck is also even more robust thanks to the central tire inflation system. The machine always controls and adjusts each wheel's height to counteract road bumps. If the tire unexpectedly deflates, the machine will instantly warn the driver and raise the wheel to allow the driver to continue driving.
The Liebherr LR 13000. This is the world's most powerful crawler crane, offering a lifting capacity of 3,300 US tons and a maximum hoisting height of 774 feet. Liebherr created it for heavyweight lifting operations. It has been used to put up more than 1,500 pounds of heavy structures, such as power plant units, refinery structures, and industrial columns. It is also the only crane in its class that can be used without a derrick ballast. Winches with single drives provide fail-proof operation. In case of failure, a drive can be changed under load. Moreover, despite its massive size, the gigantic crane can be delivered at a minimal cost all over the globe. Also, it uses concrete ballast units that look like 20-inch containers and are easy and cheap to move. Up next, we have the Bucyrus Erie 257, aka Big Kate. This huge walking dragline has been operational since 1978. In terms of size, it stands 220 feet high, which is taller than a 20-story building and can operate in a radius of 300 feet, equal to the length of an American football field. The weight of this dragline is 10.4 million pounds, and it features a 310-foot-long boom equipped with a 100 cubic yard bucket. It has an over-under fair lead system that helps keep dirt out of the machinery house and makes the drag rope last longer. Unlike conventional walking draglines, it was built in module sections, thus not requiring any welding to assemble, meaning its assembly takes only a few weeks, while others need months. Next, we have the 4800 XPC Komatsu. This ultra-class electric rope shovel was built for challenging environments. With its 92 cubic yard dipper, the shovel can fill a large dumper in just 3 passes. Its adaptive controls are designed to increase output while reducing boom jacking by up to 50%. It has a dynamic crowd design system that ensures fine motion control and high crowd forces to enhance penetration and reduce abrasive damage. To prevent a collision between the dipper and the tracks, its shield system monitors the dipper's movement and mitigates damage as necessary. If you've been enjoying these giants so far, don't worry, there's even bigger ones coming up. The Bucyrus RH400/Terex O&K RH400. You're now looking at the second largest hydraulic excavator in the world, which is 980 tons in weight. The first name of this behemoth was Terex RH400. It was introduced in Germany in 1997. However, Terex sold its mining business to Bucyrus in 2010, and the model's identity has changed to the Bucyrus RH400. The excavator can collect around 9,900 tons of material every hour, establishing a new world record for a hydraulic mining excavator. It features a face shovel bucket capacity of 65 cubic yards, which can handle 85 tons of material in a single scoop and load any mining truck in just 3 to 5 passes. The RH400 draws power with twin engines that generate a combined power of 4,500 horsepower. It takes 6 vehicle batteries to just start the engines, with which this mighty excavator can travel at a top speed of 2.2 kilometers an hour. That's just about 1.4 miles an hour. Belaz is a Belarusian-based company known for producing large dump trucks. In fact, the world's largest dump truck belongs to this company, which is the Belaz 75710. It weighs 360 tons and has a payload capacity of 496 tons. According to estimates, the price of this truck is somewhere between 6 and 7.5 million USD. Belaz has introduced several models and series of such mining trucks, but all of them can be categorized into 2 types based on their transmission technology. The hydromechanical transmission uses fluid with a pump to run the wheel, while the electromechanical transmission consists of electric motors that drive the truck. Of the Bagger 293. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, this is the world's largest land-based vehicle. coming in at 315 feet tall, 740 feet long, and weighing over 31 million pounds. It was built in 1995 in Germany for mining operations. The Bagger 293 excavates using a massive 70-foot spinning wheel at the end of a long arm. This wheel is equipped with a series of buckets that, as the wheel turns, scoop up soil and deposit it onto a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt then loads the dirt into the dump trucks. Being the largest bucket excavator of its kind, the Bagger 293 can excavate a football-sized hole 80 meters deep in a day. In simple words, it can dig 8.5 million cubic feet per day and requires a crew of 5 to operate. Next, we have the Famur road header. This machine can cut through rocky terrain to produce tunnels for mining or other uses. It features a spinning cutting drum and a conveyor belt to remove the excavated material. Famur is a European company that manufactures multiple road header variants with varying technological features and benefits. Some of their models can handle extremely hard rocks with compressive strengths of up to 95 megapascals. These are simple to use, maintain, and transport. In addition, they include safety features and display control systems. These are used in work sites like mines, quarries, and landfills, where rock cutting is necessary. Next, we have the Joymat S6. This machine is designed to extract coal from a Longwall face. Komatsu, a multinational producer of mining equipment, has manufactured it. The machine meets Tier 2 emission requirements and has a cutting height range of 1.5 to 4.5 meters. It weighs around 52 to 82 tons and offers a haulage pull capacity of 1,000 kilonewtons. Advanced automation, an ergonomic display control system, a modular design, and simple maintenance are some of its features. In addition, it has a high rate of production and operational dependability. The Joymat S6 shearer is ideal for underground coal mining environments. Last but certainly not least, we have the Slag Taurus from Technet Cura. The German company manufactures different transport systems for metallurgical and rail sectors. The Slag Taurus can carry 50 tons of molten slag from a blast furnace to a disposal location. It has articulated steering and a safety system that prevents overturning. There are also two design possibilities available, a platform or a U-frame. The minimal total width of the platform makes it suitable for small highways. The U-frame design provides excellent vision and short hydraulic lifts, making it suitable for broad roadways and low pickup heights. It is equipped with a Caterpillar engine and gearbox. It is robust and reliable, withstanding high temperatures and harsh conditions. The Remax 200. It is a track-mounted impact crusher. Impact crushers use a rotating rotor to crush materials on a fixed surface, resulting in fragmentation. The Remax 200 provides exceptional performance and efficiency in applications involving recycling. It features a diesel-electric powertrain system that decreases pollution and fuel consumption. It also has a disposal chute underneath the impact crusher, which is crucial for dealing with construction and demolition debris. The Remax 200 has an intake hole of 25.6 by 37.4 inches and weighs 60,627 pounds. It has a throughput capacity of about 275 tons per hour. Next, we have the CAT HW300. It is a Highwall mining system that allows for both underground and surface mining. Depending on the seam height, it is capable of producing 44,000 to 121,000 tons of coal each month. The system comprises an underground-driven unmanned cutter module that operates in front of the Highwall. The cutter module is driven into the seam by a series of push beams, which also convey the extracted coal back to the entrance of the drive and onto a stack. This system has a comfortable climate-controlled pressurized cab that provides a comprehensive view of the mining activity and the Highwall. As the coal seam fluctuates, the operator can manually adjust the machine function using an ampere measurement. Next, we have the Guntert Zimmerman 7300. This trenching machine is designed to dig and create canals for irrigation or drainage. It features a large toothed metal wheel that revolves and cuts the earth into a trapezoidal shape. The dirt is subsequently transferred to the other bank of the canal by use of a conveyor belt. The machine can modify the canal's size and depth in response to the slope. It is powered by a diesel engine that complies with environmental regulations. The machine's tracks and leveling mechanism enable it to traverse uneven terrain. It has been built by a California-based company, Guntert Zimmerman, and weighs around 95,000 pounds. Next is the Christoffel Fines Master Wash Plant. It is a fluid cleaning system capable of removing fine particles from sand and aggregates. It can process up to 120 tons of cleaned and dewatered material each hour. The wash plant includes a cyclone, dewatering screen, sump tank, and slurry pump. The cyclone separates particles from liquids and directs them to the dewatering screen. The screen eliminates excess moisture and generates a dry product. It also has an integrated control panel for operators to modify the water flow, pressure, and speed. In short, the wash plant is portable, compact, and simple to install and operate. The Christoffel Agwash. This modular washing system was built by a German company, C. Christoffel GmbH. It is capable of producing up to 2 classes of sand and removing clays, silts, and slimes from the feed material. The material is loaded into a feed hopper and then transported to a log washer, where it is washed to remove clays and other impurities. After passing through a rinsing screen, the material is cleaned and divided into various size fractions. Coarse aggregates are released onto a stockpile conveyor, while fine aggregates are pumped to a hydrocyclone machine for further classification into sand grades. The sand is then dehydrated using a high-frequency screen and stacked using radial conveyors. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.